Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm sharing 10 insanely useful Excel autofill tips that can make your workflow way faster and more accurate. These are real time savers for anyone who works with data in Excel. Let's dive right in. Tip 1. Autofill with the fill handle. Tip 1 is the classic fill handle drag. Just type something like Monday or Q1, then grab the small square at the bottom right of the cell and drag it down. Great for filling days, months, quarters, or number sequences. Tip 2. Double-click to auto-fill down. Save yourself the drag. Just double-click the fill handle and Excel fills the column down automatically, as long as there's data in the column next to it. Perfect when working with long tables. Tip 3. Use Ctrl+D to fill down. Ctrl+D copies the content from the cell above into the selected cell below. Tip 4. Use Ctrl+R to fill right. Like Ctrl+D, Ctrl+R fills content from the cell to the left into the selected cells. Use this for headers, repeated formulas, or formatting. Tip 5. Autofill numbers by dragging. To fill a number pattern like 1, 2, just type the first two numbers, select both, then drag the fill handle. Works with odd or even patterns, increments of 10 and more. Tip 6. Use the autofill menu. After dragging, click the tiny autofill options button. You can choose fill series, fill formatting only, or fill without formatting. Great for keeping your formatting intact. Tip 7. Autofill dates and weekdays only. Want to fill just weekdays? Type a date, drag down, then click the autofill menu and choose Fill Weekdays. It skips weekends automatically. Awesome for work schedules and task planning. Tip 8. Flash fill for patterns. Ctrl+E. Flash fill detects patterns automatically. Just type an example like combining first and last names and press Ctrl+E. Excel does the rest. Tip 9. Fill series from the ribbon. For full control, go to Home, Fill, then Series. You can define step values, growth trends, and time units. Fill from 1 to 100 by fives or months, weekdays, etc. Tip 10. Autofill formulas without copy and paste. When your data is in an Excel table, any formula you type in the first row autofills the whole column. Effortless and error-free formula consistency. Which tip was your favorite? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.